Welcome to our budget travel guide, tips and tricks to save money on flights and hotels in the USA. Are you ready to explore America without breaking the bank? Let's get started. When booking flights, flexibility is key. Be open to different departure dates and airports. Midweek flights are often cheaper than weekends, and smaller regional airports may have more affordable options. Another great way to save money on flights is to be proactive and book in advance. Prices tend to increase as the departure date gets closer, so plan ahead and snag those early bird deals. Consider flying with budget airlines or using flight comparison websites to find the best deals. Remember to read the fine print and check for additional fees. Sometimes, a little extra legwork can save you big bucks. Now, let's talk accommodation. Hotels can be expensive, so why not explore alternative options? Consider booking a vacation rental, where you can enjoy more space and facilities at a lower cost. Websites like Airbnb or Vrbo are great places to start. Alternatively, you can check out hostels, which offer affordable shared or private rooms. Don't worry, hostels these days are clean, safe, and perfect for travelers on a budget. Location is crucial when it comes to saving